Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe, turn the notification bell, and let's do it.
Hi guys, so today I'll be talking on the early signs of pregnancy. The signs of early pregnancy can vary from person to person and from pregnancy to pregnancy. Everyone experiences different symptoms of pregnancy and at different times. Yeah, you might want to know or find out the early signs of pregnancy so you know if you are pregnant or not, especially if you just have sex some weeks back and you are suspecting you have missed your period, or the condom got ruptured, or you are wondering, am I really pregnant? And you know you are not ready for a baby yet. But some of you are ready for the baby. You just want to get that good news that you are pregnant. So let's dive straight to the early signs of the pregnancy. So the number one early signs of pregnancy on my list today is the implantation bleeding. The implantation bleeding is very different from your normal period. This bleeding is like pinky in color. It comes along with your discharge. It lasts for some days and it's gone. Yeah, it's not really heavy like your normal menstrual flow, but note, not all women experiences this implantation bleeding. Yeah, it happens in some women and it doesn't happen in some women. Out, so it's not really heavy like your normal period. So it is called the implantation bleeding. The second sign of an early pregnancy is cramping. Some feel as if it is their menses that is coming. This also might be a sign that you are pregnant. So cramping is also an early sign of pregnancy. Yeah, it is different from the menstrual cramp that we usually experience, but in most cases some we think maybe is their flow they're expecting, but at the end it is a pregnancy cramp. And the third on my list is missed period. This is the sign that many people are familiar with. When you're supposed to see your period on a particular date and you are not seeing it, so it is time to carry out a pregnancy test to confirm, because many people can have a delayed period as a result of stress or hormonal imbalances. So missed period is another major sign of an early pregnancy, although other factors can cause a missed period. And the next early signs of pregnancy is nausea and vomiting. Nausea simply means having the feeling of throwing up, but I'm not throwing up. Some experiences nausea with vomiting or without vomiting. So most pregnant women experiences this. Some will always feel like throwing up, but they would not throw up, and some end up vomiting. And the next is breast changes. Yeah, most breast changes or become tender. Yeah, some changes in shape and in size, and also the tenderness of the breast. So most breast experiences changes during early pregnancy and they become very tender. And the next on my list is frequent urination. Always going to the toilet to pee and pass out urine. That might also be an early stage of pregnancy, because the uterus is located between the bladder, and during development it might be pressing the bladder, leading to frequent urination. Yeah, so early pregnancy can lead to frequent urination. And the next is frequent headache. Some women normally experiences headache as an early sign or early stage of pregnancy. Most women at this early stage also experiences fatigue, always feeling tired and exhausted because there is a hormonal changes during pregnancy. So they experiences fatigue and tiredness. Most of them also have raised body temperature. Yeah, high body temperature is a very common sign of pregnancy. Mood swing. The next is mood swing. Most women experiences this. This minute they are happy, the next minute they are sad and depressed. That might also be an early sign of pregnancy. Yeah, you can't just tell their mood per time. They can be happy this moment and the next minute they are sad. And the next on my list today is food aversion, irritation of some certain food and their smell, because at that stage they have a very high sense of smell. So most food irritates them. So they avert most of these foods. Yeah. And the next is food craving. Even as they experiences food aversion, like some food irritates them, they also crave for some food. Yeah, food craving is another commonest sign of an early pregnancy. Some want to eat a particular kind of food at the early stage, so it's a two-way thing. They can be irritated for some kind of food, and they can also crave for a particular kind of food. And I advise, if you experience maybe all or some of these symptoms, then you can just go and do a pregnancy test, or you buy a PT strip, or better still, go to the hospital and run a test to know if you are actually pregnant or not. Thank you for staying with me, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Have a very nice day. See you in my next video. Bye.